Welcome medical professionals. Today we are going to see different type of plastic surgery chisels manufactured by MedSnip Surgical. In this video you are going to see the quality of the instrument, the use of the instrument. So stick with it and let's get started the video. Starting from the right side, there are plastic chisels. You can check the quality of the instrument and the different sizes. You can check the shine and the well manufactured products. These instruments are used while plastic surgery procedures. As you are seeing, they are available in different sizes in MedSnip Surgical. Now you are seeing the Tabates Aller stabilizing jig, stainless steel for resecting rim strip. When placed under the Aller cartilage, the pins stabilize and flatten the cartilage. And now you are seeing the Anderson Nivard stainless steel. Now you are seeing the rhinoplasty knife, which is also called Joseph. I hope that you like this video. Thanks for watching. And if you are looking for a surgical and dental equipment manufacturer and exporter, contact MedSnip Surgical today. Thanks.